Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will talk about how to nerve cat dental cavities. It's very weird for a child to get decay in a part of their body. How can this be? Enamel is stronger than steel. It happens like this. Demineralization occurs when the pH of the saliva drops and becomes too acid 4 to 5.5 when it is supposed to be 7. Minerals leach out in the presence of acid. This occurs because of excess bacteria making the acid. One step before this is excess sugar in the diet. An average child consumes a ton of sugar and even liquid candy soda. Get the child off sugar and replace it with alternative sugars like non-GMO xylitol or use stevia to make sweet dishes for little children. Thanks for watching. If you do like this video, press the like button, share it.